I'm pretty sure it's like 5.
It's a 2-hour practice.
Okay. Selling merchandise on account. So the only time you use the sales journal is when you are selling merchandise on account. So we are in 2014. It tells us we are September 1st. Sold merchandise on account to Adrian Makowski, $800 plus sales tax of $48 for a total of $848. S104. So in the previous, when we were purchase journal, we had a purchase invoice, and now we're in the sales journal, we'll have a sales invoice. So that's a dead giveaway. Anytime you have an S, it's going to stand for sales journal. This particular journal, we have 3 columns: accounts receivable debit, sales credit, and sales tax payable credit. Sales tax payable credit is always going to add those up to give us the larger debit amount. So this is Adrian Makowski. So our accounts, you can just, sales, we know it tells us we sold $800. Sales tax, it tells us, is $48. So those two added together is going to give us $848.
Why is the total less?
I don't know that there's any particular reason. Sales invoice number 104. So we always have to charge tax, and we need to keep the tax and the sales separate, because at the end of each period we're going to actually have to pay the tax back to the government. So we separate how much we bring in sales and how much we bring in tax. Next one says sold merchandise on account to Columbus City Schools, $875. Columbus City Schools is exempt from sales taxes, so that's even easier. Columbus City Schools. Is it 105?
Yeah.
And we just have $875. No sales tax, so it's $875.
You still write that in the sales tax?
Nope, I just don't. I just leave it empty.
Why don't you write in the sales credit?
Oh, yeah, I did it wrong.
Don't watch this video.
I apologize. I was just checking to make sure you guys had it.
Next
Yeah.
Don't listen to quality at all.
What?
Wait, did you get switched out?
I have to go on Wednesday at 11:45.
I don't know. Did you get switched?
Got it. Okay. The last one on the 28th says sold merchandise on account to Swiss Delight, $1460 plus sales tax of $87.60, and that is a total of $1547.60. Man. Okay. So the 28th.
Hey, Joel. Joel.
Swiss Delight.
Swiss. Sir.
Sales is $1460. Sales tax $87.60,
So then do your total like that.
and then our total is $1547.60.
1547.
It asks us to total proven rule.
Is that 57?
Yeah.
Is that
Look in your book if you can't read my writing.
Sales tax, payable credit. Oh.
That's a 106. So we add these up. 60.
First one is 32, 70, 60.
The second one's
31, 35.
35 Uven.
And 135.
Yep.
135.60. So then it's going to ask me to bring those totals down to the bottom. All we're doing is making sure debits equal credits. So debits is 32. And that is 31, 35. That is 135.
They do.
60. Got it. Okay, so when they equal, then you need to come back up top and give these double underlines.
Wait, what's college accounting compared to this?